Okay, so the first thing we're going to learn how to do is to actually draw a 2D shape. Then we're going to make it 3D. Once we've done that, we're going to add a couple of features into there, and then we're going to do a little bit of rounding off. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to go up to this top left icon that says Create Sketch. Once we've clicked on this, we need to actually decide which space we're going to work on first. Okay. Okay, so I've clicked on the bottom plane there. We're then just going to do a basic square to start off with. Okay, so I click on here. I'm using the 0 point. Okay, you can use any point you want really, and it'll automatically snap to certain points for us. So let's just say we're going to do 50 by 50 millimeters. Okay, as you can see that says 50 by 50 millimeters, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it down to 40 by 45. Okay, and then from this I'm going to show the dimension tool. So say if we have this and the dimension didn't show up properly, or it wouldn't snap to the exact dimension you wanted, if you click on Sketch Dimension here, we can then click on the side you want and then drag it away and then click again, and we can edit that to 50. Okay, same with the bottom here, and then edit this to 50 as well. As you can see, it's in millimeters. Okay, so 50 millimeters is 5 centimeters. Alright, once this is done, I then want to make this 3D. So I'm going to click on this extrude button here. There are a variety of other features, okay, which we'll probably learn maybe one or two more of these later on. But the basic extrude is all we want here. Okay, so the main thing we need to select is the profile. Okay, so this is the profile. Okay, the outside shape of it, and this is the shape we want to extrude. Now we can either click the arrow and drag it into shape, or once again we can use the distance that automatically comes up this time and type in 50 millimeters. Okay, so instantly now we have got a cube, okay, that's 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters. As you can see, I can rotate it round, okay, click on certain points to actually view it from specific angles, okay, from the top, from the front, okay, or I can go back to this isometric view. Now what we're going to do is actually put a hole straight through the middle of this cube. Okay, so now I'm going to select this face. You can see it's turned blue. Okay, I'm then going to go down to the sketch. Like the create, the sketch has more options. So I'm going to click on center. Okay, as you can see, it's already come towards me and faced me. All right, the center is already on here because we've done a 50 by 50 cube, which is quite standard. So I'm going to click directly in the center. Okay. And then I'm going to do the whole 30 millimeters in diameter. Okay. Once I've got this hole now, I want to make this circle. I want to actually make this into a 3D shape, but I want to extrude. Okay. And the software is quite intuitive. So I've just clicked the circle. If I pull this way, it's going to add material. If I go the other way, it's going to subtract material. So I'm just going to make sure this is all the way through the other side. Okay. So that's 6 minus 60 when we know our shape's 50. If I click on this now, I've got a hole going all the way through the material. Okay, we're going to repeat this process just so you get used to creating features. So once again, we click on here. We're going to do the circle tool again, center. All right, 30. Extrude button. Click on the part we want to extrude. Push it all the way through. Okay, and then the last bit, we're going to do the top here. So I'm going to click on the top. Sketch, circle, diameter here, 30 millimeters again. Okay, go up to extrude, click on it, and then just drag it all the way through. Okay, so now we've got like a holy cube. Okay, what then I'd like to do is just round the edges off this cube. Okay, so we've used sketch and we've used create. Now we're going to use modify. So we click on modify, and we can see we've got this nice fillet. So we're going to fillet the edges, which rounds it off for us. So we can actually select more than one edge at once. If we keep clicking the edges, it will keep selecting them for us. So I'm actually going to go around and move the work around a little bit more using the cube at the top over here. And I'm going to continue clicking. So I have all the edges selected. So now I've got all the edges selected. And then we can change the millimeters here. Okay, on the radius, or we can change it here. Okay, I'm just going to go to, I'll go to this one this time. So I'm going to do this one 5, and then it gives us a preview. Yep, okay, 5's pretty good. If we do too much, it comes up with the error that we can see down the bottom right here. Okay, so it will only let you do what it thinks won't actually distort the actual product yourself. So 5mm is good. I'm going to click OK. Okay, and now I have a nice holy cube. Okay, which has got rounded edges. We could actually round these as well. Okay, but that's just an extra activity.